Hello, my name is Sundaresh and I'm a Senior Solutions Architect with the Global Technology Practice of SAS. Here's a quick walkthrough of a tool which helps you take advantage of virtual Python environments in SAS Viya. SAS Viya, our analytics and AI platform, offers open source integration in several applications. Users particularly appreciate the interoperability between SAS and Python programs in SAS Studio, now known as SAS Data and AI Studio. Python environments are characterized by strong package and version dependencies. Python programmers resort to well-established patterns of defining virtual environments to benefit from isolation, ephemeralism, and reusability. We have a strong imperative to make it easy for users to quickly define and program in virtual environments instead of having to rely on administrators all the time. Through the Python Create a Virtual Environment Custom Step, you have a tool which helps you quickly create a virtual environment and take advantage of it. You can choose to persist a virtual environment so that you can reuse it later or keep it completely ephemeral. You can choose to use all packages from the parent base environment or keep your virtual environment lean. And finally, you can specify packages you want in your virtual environment. Either type them out or point to an existing requirements file. The choice is yours. This way, 3 easy steps which remove the need for you to understand your environment and get into the weeds. Upon successful creation, you can get right to your tasks and program in Python in your virtual environment straight away. So go ahead, start playing with your virtual environment tool. Run it standalone or run it within a flow as per your requirements. Feel free to get in touch in case of any questions.